Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the SP Mobile C31 pen drive. And I got this on Amazon guys for a very good rate, and I got a 64 GB variant of this, so I wanted to test it out how good it is. And this is the USB 3.2 version, and it supports OTG. You can use this with your phone as well as on a TV or a car or any other things. And especially if you see the look and the feel of this particular pen drive for this particular money, I think this is one of the very good deal which you can get it on Amazon. So just check out the link in the description to get the exact pricing of this particular pen drive. So I got this uh, maybe for a deal about 650 rupees on Amazon. So as you can see over here, the body of this particular pen drive is this shimmery kind of plastic, and it is a swivel mechanism just like a dual drive luxe kind of thing. And as you can see over here, this is one of the better looking pen drives. So no matter how much I do like this, it is having a magnetic kind of locking mechanism, with the help of which it have this nice click. So if you see over here, this is one of the good mechanisms which you can have. And above all guys, this is very compact, and personally I really like this kind of pen drives which are very stylish. You can use it with your MacBook, and everybody keeps asking me which pen drive is this. So people have not heard about SP, neither SP or anybody is sponsoring this video, so I got this off my own money, and I was genuinely interested in checking out how good is this. So basically this video has been recorded last year in 2025, so I had good about 6 months to do a complete testing of this particular pen drive. So I've used this for about 6 months with my primary phone for transferring videos and having the backups. As you guys know, I have multiple pen drives, and I do keep checking out all those new pen drives and their speed and all. And personally, this is one of the pen drives, good looking pen drives in my opinion, which you can buy from SP. And again guys, if you like this kind of videos, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon whenever we upload any new video. Also do check out our social media at the rate Creative Soft. So coming back to this particular pen drive, I think this is one of the best pen drives available in the market, and I've been using this with my phones, especially the older ones like Pixel 3. Sometimes there was a drop in performance, but overall on if your phone supports USB 3.2, that is where the speed is there. And I feel this is in par with Samsung and SanDisk when it comes to transferring on mobile, but on the desktop it's totally a different area guys. And I'll be also doing a full like a real world comparison between these particular pen drives and other pen drives also, like file transfer and all. And this is how it feels. So as you know that I'm having a case for my Pixel 3, but still this fits perfectly well. As you can see, it is also detected on older phones, and most of the people had been asking me whether it supports with the TV and all. So one thing to be noted, that you need to format this particular pen drive in FAT32 or a lower, so that it supports the television, because most of the TVs, especially the older ones, does not support exFAT, and that is a 64, more than 64 I guess. And basically what you do is connect this pen drive, and you can just format on the phone and then use this with your TV, so just in case if you're not getting detected. So also you can use command prompt in Windows, and you can also have this in FAT32. Rufus is one of the pen drive formatting tools which is available, which I'm also using with my car. And let me do a speed test comparison with this, with the Crystal Disk Mark. And let me just show you what are the read write speed of this particular pen drive. So I was getting a good read write speed, something similarly to the claim which is there on the box. But I would say guys, if you are looking for a pen drive which is faster than this, then definitely you should go with a Dual Drive Luxe. Again, if you are looking for a price to performance ratio for this particular price, like around 600, 700 or 800 for 64 GB, this is the best looking pen drives which are available. And this you can use as a secondary pen drive for backing up, or also in the TV you can use it, and there are multiple use cases. So I have a similar pen drive from EVM, which I had already posted on this channel, so do check that out. And as you can see over here, the read speed is quite nice for this particular price range, which is almost 161 Mbps. And let me know in the comments below which pen drive you're using, so that at least I know if in future if I have to cover any videos, so I can make on those topic or those pen drive I can buy and show you the speed test. So as far as SP is concerned, I don't know the exactly how good is the service center and all compared to SanDisk, Samsung and HP, but I would say they have this online thing where you just have to mail the pen drive to them, and that's because there is no service center in my area. So if you are worried about that, then definitely also check that out. And if you compare the warranty and all, then I think it is already listed on the box, which will be around like 5 years or something. So I'm yet to confirm with the service center on this, and I'll let you all know. Maybe I can just pin a comment later on. And as you can see over here, the write speed is 70 mbps, which is quite decent in my case for a pen drive which is available below 1000. And you will definitely notice this when you are transferring file, because this is just like a theoretical speed, guys. So this can attain maximum of 70 mbps, but again it will also depends, like let me just drag and drop of particular Ubuntu file which is around 4 GB into it. So as you can see, it started with quite high, like 70 mbps was the write speed, and it drops between 30 to 40 mbps in the real world, guys. As you can see the graph, there are highs and lows and dips in this particular case. So let me just also zoom into this, and I would say this pen drive scores about something like reaches to around 70 mbps, and then in between it jumps back to below 30. So this is because of the limited buffer, I guess. So I don't think so this is having a very good buffer. But then if you consider a 4 GB file and this kind of case scenarios wherein it is having some 30 to 40 mbps write speed, and for this price you cannot complain. Apart from that, it really looks good. And in my testing when I was using it, this is the pen drive which I preferred using and going out with, simply because it really looks brilliant, and it is having a great mechanism, swivel mechanism, I guess. And another thing, I had no issues with whichsoever cases whichever I use for any of the phones, because sometimes if you're having a bigger case, what happens is the pen drive does not fit, so you have to remove the case. And in even on television, sometimes if you have a bigger pen drive like the slider one, SanDisk slider, so those kind of thing get stuck. So if you're using with the TV, I think this is one of the best pen drives you can use. And again, if you see the speed, I would say this is the best speed, but then I'm satisfied with it. And again, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. And subscribe to our channel and do check out these awesome videos which we have it on pen drive, also this playlist. And let me know in the comments below what are your opinions about the SP pen drive. Are you thinking of purchasing it or not? Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.